welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be learning about how to find area of compound shapes. To start off, we have a few questions related to finding the area of 2D shapes, and recently I had posted a video on how you can find the area of 2D shapes. You can check the video above and also it will be in the description box below. Alright, for the first one we have a rectangle with sides 7 cm and 3 cm. Now what is the formula for finding area of rectangle? It's pretty simple. You just multiply both the sides, length into breadth, 7 into 3, which is equal to 21 centimeters squared. Alright, for the second one we have an equilateral square and the perimeter of it is 24 centimeters. Using the perimeter we can find the side length of the square. How? We can just do division. 24 divided by 4 will give us 6. That means each of the side will be 6 centimeters. This will be 6, this will be 6, this will be 6, and this will also be 6. Now we can easily find the area of the square. 6 into 6 is equal to 36 centimeters squared. Alright, now for the triangle, which has a base of 9 centimeters and height of 6 centimeters. What is the formula for finding the area of triangle? Well, it is base into height divided by 2. So base is 9, height is 6 and divided by 2. 9 into 6 divided by 2 will give us 54 divided by 2. And then when we do that, we get 27 centimeters squared. Now for the fourth one, we have another triangle. As you can see, there is an extra measurement given over here, but we shouldn't care about that since that has nothing to do with finding the area of triangle. 14 into 4, apply the formula again, divide by 2, which will give us 56 divided by 2, which will give us 28 centimeters squared. For the fifth one, it's pretty simple. It's a parallelogram. It's just like finding the area of rectangle. We just have to multiply the base into height. Base into height, base is 9 and height is 5, which is equal to 45 centimeters squared. Now again, you can see there is an extra measurement given over here, 6 centimeters, but again, you don't have to care about that. Now for the sixth one, it's a trapezium, and the formula for finding the area of trapezium is a plus b, which are the parallel sides, multiplied by the height and then divided by 2. 16 plus 12 into 6 divided by 2, which is equal to, which will give us 84 centimeters squared. And there you go. So now we're moving on to the main thing of this video, which is about compound shapes. How do we find the area of compound shapes? First of all, we split them up into their composite shapes, meaning we split them up into 2 shapes, and then we find the area of each shape and then add them together. So here are 2 examples, and you can see the red line which divides the compound shape into 2 composite shapes. We have 2 shapes related to finding the area of compound shapes. I'll be showing you how you can easily find the area of compound shapes. First of all, we have to divide it into 2 shapes. So I'm going to make this as A and this as B. Square A, which is equal to 5 into 4, the sides lengths are already given, 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 centimeters squared. Okay, for the second one, we have the width as 2 centimeters, but we need to find the length, and this is missing. How do we find missing lengths? Well, as you can see here, this is the whole length, which is of 7 centimeters, and here is a part of it which is 4 centimeters, and the rest of it is unknown. To find the missing length over here, we have to subtract 7 and 4. 7 minus 4 will give us 3 centimeters. There we go. And we just multiply both of them. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeters squared. Total area is equal to square A plus square B. Square A has an area of 20 centimeters square plus 6 centimeters square, which is 4 square B. Now we just add both of them and we get answer as 26 centimeters square. This is the answer for this composite shape. Alright, for the next one, here we start off by dividing it into two composite shapes. Label them as A and B. Square A is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14 centimeters squared. Square B, 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 centimeters squared. In this compound shape, we don't have to find any missing lengths. And then we just find the total area. Square A 14 and square B 6 plus 6 is equal to 20 centimeters squared. Just gonna write it down here. Okay, we've got some extra questions related to area of compound shapes, as you can see them here. Let's try them together, but if you want to do it by yourself, you can pause the video and have a go. Okay, the first one, we divide the shapes into two. I'm going to label this as A and this as B. Area A is equal to 8 into 3, which gives us 24 centimeters square. Area B is equal to 4 into 4, which gives us 16 centimeters square. Total area is equal to 24 plus 16, which is equal to 40 centimeters square. For the second shape, A is already given over here. We just label the B one over here. Area A is equal to 3. We have one side, but now we need to find for this one. 8 is for this whole thing. And as you can see, 8 and 2 are related. We can just subtract 8 minus 2 to get the missing length 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18 centimeters square. Area B is equal to 8 into 2, which is equal to 16 centimeters square. Total area, just add both of the areas. 18 plus 16 gives us 34 centimeters square. There we go. We got the answers for both of these shapes. Here we have two challenging questions related to area of compound shapes. You can challenge yourself by pausing this video and trying it by yourself, and then you can check the answers once you're done. Right, for the first shape, we divide this again into two. This time we've got a triangle as well, and what's more better about this is area of triangle formula is already mentioned over here. So in case if you forget, you can still refer to this. I'm going to write it over here. Area A is equal to 13 into 8, which is equal to 104 centimeters squared. Area B is equal to base into height divided by 2 because it's a triangle. Now we need to find the base. We already have the measurement for the height. This one is looking like the same over here, so that means that is our height, 13 centimeters. The base, we can just find it over here. This whole thing is 15 centimeters, but we just need to find this much. And here we have 8 centimeters, so we can minus 15 with 8, which will give us 7 centimeters. 13 into 7 divided by 2, which is equal to 91 divided by 2, which is equal to 45.5 centimeters squared. Total area is equal to area A plus area B. 104 plus 45.5. That means our answer will be 149.5 centimeters squared. There you go. For the second one, here I'm going to be dividing the shape into 3, A, B and C. Area A is equal to 15. We got 15. We have one length over here, but now we need to find the width. To find the width, we have 20 as whole over here, and this much is 9. And to find this much, we have to subtract 20 minus 9, which will give us 11. And then we simply multiply both of them, 11 into 15, which gives us 165 centimeters squared. Now area B is equal to 9. We have 9 over here, and we need to find the width. Here you can see there's 15 over here and 8 over here. To find this much, we have to subtract 15 minus 8, which will give us 7. And that means 9 into 7 is equal to 63. Okay, area C, it's a triangle now, so we need to find the base and height. So let's start by finding the base, which will be over here. As you can see, 15 is for this much and 18 is for the whole thing. And exactly this much is missing over here. So 15 has to be subtracted from 18 to give the base 3 centimeters. And the height is 14. This much is 14 and this much is 20. We take both of them and subtract it to get this much amount, which will give us 6. That means 3 into 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 9 centimeters squared. Total area is equal to 165 plus 63 plus 9. So we just do addition. 237 centimeters squared is the area. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video and check out my previous videos. Until then, see you next time.